Good morning students. In this period we are going to see subtraction and some word problems based on subtraction. So we will see that now from the textbook. So let us see that now. Students, in subtraction we are using three numbers that are minuend, subtrahend and difference. What are these numbers? I am going to show you. Pay attention. The larger number from which we subtract the other number. Larger number from which we subtract the other number is known as minuend, and the number which is subtracted is called subtrahend. We can say that it is a small number. Subtrahend is small number. The result of subtraction is called the difference between the given numbers. So let us see one example for that. Suppose number is like this: 87,596 minus 42,365. Here this number is known as minuend. This number is your subtrahend. The number which is used for subtracting larger number, that is minuend, and the number which is subtracted, that is subtrahend. If you are subtracting this, answer of this is this answer is known as difference. Answer of subtraction is known as difference. These three terms you have to keep it in your mind. Now we are going to see subtraction without borrowing. See students, subtraction without borrowing, we will see some examples from exercise 10. How we are going to solve it. Already you have solved like this examples in third standard also. See now, without borrowing here now, so directly subtraction you can do from ones place. So 8 minus 5, 3, 4 minus 3, 1, 6 minus 2, 4, 7 minus 4, 3, 5 minus 1, 4. There is no borrowing here for the above number. Directly you can get the answer. Okay. Now I am solving fourth question. See here, 7 minus 2, 5, 0 minus 0, 0, 8 minus 0, 8, 3 minus 1, 2, 5 minus 3, 2, and 4 minus nothing is here means 4 you have to write. Okay. Now see next question. Find the difference. It is also same way you have to subtract. I am going to show you one question, or the three you have to try yourself. 1 minus 0, 1, 9 minus 6, 3, 4 minus 1, 3, 6 minus 2, 4 and 8 minus 5, 3, 34,331. Like this. This 6, 7, 8 question you have to try yourself. Now see next question. Find the difference when. Now minuend and subtrahend is given to you. You have to identify which one is bigger number, and you have to use for subtraction, means bigger minus smaller. So I am showing you one example from this. I am showing you first example. See here. Ninth question. Minuend, subtrahend is given. Minuend is always larger number, so you have to write that number first and then you have to write the subtrahend. So minuend I am writing first, 37,486 minus subtrahend is given 21,032. Like this you have to arrange the numbers. You have to write the question also and write the answer in this way. This I am showing you answer. Question is given in textbook. 6 minus 2, 4, 8 minus 3, 5, 4 minus 0, 4, 7 minus 1, 6, 3 minus 2, 1, 16,454. Like this you have to solve the 10th question also in your notebook. Now see the next question in the textbook. Write in the column form and find the difference. Here some numbers are arranged in sleeping way. You have to arrange them in column form and then you have to subtract. So I am showing you one example, that is 12th example. See here how to arrange that number. 12th example. First I am showing you slipping way, what is given here in textbook. It is 7513 minus 63,411. Now see, both are 5-digit number. So one below one you have to arrange properly. So first I am writing this bigger number. Column form means standing way you have to write. Sorry, 87,513 minus 63,411. So this you have to subtract. 3 minus 1, 2. 1 minus 1, 0. 5 minus 4, 1. 7 minus 3, 4. 8 minus 6, 2. Like this only you have to arrange other 3 numbers also and solve it. Okay. See 15th question. Find the difference between 13,564 and 34,675. In these two numbers you have to identify first bigger number, that means larger number. So 34,675 is larger and this one is smaller. So when you are finding the difference, you will subtract bigger minus smaller number. Okay, so I am showing you that. 15 question answer I am showing you. So I am directly writing the numbers arrangement, that is bigger number is 34,675 minus 13,564. Okay. Now subtraction starts from ones place. 5 minus 4, 1. 7 minus 6, 1. 6 minus 5, 1. 4 minus 3, 1. And 3 minus 1, 2. Same way you have to solve the 16th question which is given in the textbook. Now see 17th question here. Fill in the missing numbers. 17 and 18 question, both the questions are depend on that missing. So you have to observe the numbers given here properly and find the missing numbers in the boxes. So first do the subtraction of 7 minus 5. It becomes 2. 6 minus 0 means 6 only. Okay. 7 minus which number is 4? So do 7 minus 4. You will get the answer. 7 minus 4 is 3. So that 3 you have to write here. So 7 minus 3 becomes 4 only. 8 minus 4, 4. 5 minus 3, you will get this answer. So do 5 minus 3, that is 2. And if you are doing 5 minus 2, you will get the answer 3. If you want these numbers, so you have to use this number for subtraction. Same way, 9 minus 2 when you will do, you will get the answer for this box. 9 minus 2, 7. So 9 minus 7, 2, like this. Try to solve the 18th question. It is also same way you have to solve. Now see students, next topic of subtraction is subtraction with borrowing. So this exercise 11 questions are depend on that only, with borrowing. Borrowing you have already studied in 3rd standard. This is just a practice for you now how to solve it. So see here I am solving some question. See first question everyone, page number 54. See 46,573 minus 24,946. So 3 minus 6 we cannot do. 3 minus 6 we cannot do. So borrow number from 7. So this 7 becomes 6, 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 6 is 7. 6 minus 4 we can do. So do it, that is 2. Now 5 minus 9 again we cannot do. Borrow number from 6, it is 5, and this 5 becomes 15. 15 minus 9. When you are doing 15 minus 9, you will get the answer 6. 5 minus 4, 1. 4 minus 2, 2. Okay. Now we are solving 5th question. See 5th question everyone. ones place, from ones place you have to start subtraction. 6 minus 9 cannot do, so borrow number from 1, it is 0, it becomes 16. 16 minus 9, 7. 0 minus 6 we cannot do, so you have to borrow number from 4. So this 3 and 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. 3 minus 9 again you cannot do, borrow number from 3, it becomes 2, this 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 9, 4. Okay. 2 minus 7 again we cannot do, borrow number from 1, it is 0, this 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 7 is 5. 0 minus 2, 2 cannot subtract from 0, borrow number from 2, here 1, here 10. 10 minus 2, 8, and 1 minus 1, 0. This borrowing process you have to do properly. Now one more question I am solving. See, 11th question I am solving. Now here 0 is given, here also 0 given, so you have to borrow number from 4. So borrow number from 4, this 4 becomes 3, this 0 becomes 10, and this is 9, and then you have to write here 10. 10 minus 6, 4. 9 minus 2, 7. 3 minus 7 cannot do, here 0 is there, borrow number from 2, here 1, and here 10, this 10 becomes 9, and then this 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 7, 13 minus 7 is 6. 3 minus 8, 9 minus 8, this is 9, 9 minus 8 is 1, and this one as it is. Okay. Now next question we will see, write in columns and find the difference. Here you have to write these numbers in columns. One question I am solving. See, I am solving the 16th question. Pay attention. Sixteenth question, exercise 11. 16th question. Minus 6, 9. This is given to you. If you are observing the numbers properly, this is your 6-digit number and this is your 5-digit number. So arrangement of numbers should be proper. So first I am writing the larger number, 1,23,405 minus this 10,000 place you have to use to write the next number, 69,547. Okay. Now subtraction. 5 minus 7 you cannot do, so borrow number from 0, we will not get number from 0, so from 4, here 3, here 10, 9, and this become 15. So 15 minus 7, 8. 9 minus 4, 5. 3 minus 5 you cannot do, borrow number from 3, 13. 13 minus 5, 8. 2 minus 9 you cannot do, borrow number from 2, it is 1, this becomes 12. So 12 minus 9, 3. Again 1 minus 6 you cannot do, so from 1 you have to borrow, this 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 6, 5, and this is 0. So this is your answer, 53,858. Now we will see the next question. So the next question in textbook. Here 17, 18 and 19, these three questions, all three questions are same. Subtract one number from another number. So after from whatever number is given to you, that is your bigger number. So always what you will do, from which number is given, that you have to write up and then write this first number down. This minus this, this minus this, this minus this way. So I am solving one question, that is 18. Question answer I am showing you. After from the number is given 25,444 minus first number is given 18,888. Do subtraction. See, 4 minus 8 cannot do. Here 3, here 14. 14 minus 8. 14 minus 8 answer is 6. 3 minus 8 you cannot do. So, borrow number from 4. It is 13. 13 minus 8, that is 5. Now again 3 minus 8 cannot do. Borrow number from 5. It is 13. 13 minus 8, 5. 4 minus 8 cannot do. Borrow number from 2. 14. 14 minus 8, 6, and 1 minus 1, 0. Like this you have to solve the other two questions. Now see the next question. See, find the difference between. These three questions are same only, but see the numbers properly, because here number position is different, bigger and smaller number. Now here this is small, this is big. Here this is small, this is big, and in this is big and this is small. So always you have to do what? Bigger minus smaller. Okay, I am solving the 21 question. See 21 question. I am directly arranging the numbers. Find the difference between. So last number is bigger number, so I am writing that first. 51,007 minus 37,608. Now 7 minus 8 we cannot do. Here 0 0 is there. So from 1 we are borrowing number. Here 10. This is 9. This is 10. Again this is 9. This become 17. 17 minus 8. So answer is 9. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 6, 3. 0 minus 7 you cannot do. Borrow number from 5. It is 4 and this is 10. 10 minus 7, 3. 4 minus 3, 1. That is 13,399. Okay. Now we will see the next sum. See here. Now here also 23 and 24 questions are same, but only the language of question and arrangement of numbers is different. See, subtract the sum of 35,628 and 78,756 from 1,23,070. These two numbers sum you have to subtract from this number. Okay, answer of this addition of these you have to subtract from this. And in 24 question, subtract this number from the sum of, means addition of these two numbers you have to subtract from the first number. Both the questions are same, only arrangement of number is different. Okay, I am solving 23 question. Pay attention. See here 23 question. Answer. First I am doing the sum of that two numbers. So sum is equal to arrangement of numbers 35,628 plus 78,756. Do the addition. 8 plus 6, 14, 1 carry, 5 plus 3, 8, here 6 plus 7, 13, 8 plus 6 you can say, that is 14, and 7 plus 4, 11. So these answer you have to subtract from the next given number. So difference I am showing you here. Difference is equal to So that number you have to write first, that is 1,23,070 minus 1,14,384. So 0 minus 4 you cannot do. 6 here 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. 6 minus 8 again you cannot do. So borrow number from 3 here. It becomes 10 and this is 9. This is 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. 9 minus 3 is 6. 2 minus 4 again cannot do. So make it 12 by borrowing number. 12 minus 4, 8. 1 minus 1, 0, 0. This is your answer. Same way you have to solve the 24th question. Subtract. Fourth question given here. I am solving the one question from that. You will solve the next three questions. So I am solving a question. Question number 25. A question I am solving. 16 thousands from 5 10 thousands. So 16 thousands from 5 10 thousands. Here you can write the numbers also for this number, given numbers. Or you can solve in different way also, that is by doing subtraction. See here answer of this question. $16,000 this you can write as 16,000 also. 5 10 thousands. 5 10,000 means it is 50,000. 5 10 means 50. Okay, so this is bigger number, this is smaller number. So 50,000 minus 16,000. Subtraction 0 0 0. 0 minus 6 we cannot do. Borrow number. 10 minus 6 is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. So your answer is 34,000. This you can write as in this way also, 34,000. Student, we are going to see word problems on subtraction, that is exercise 12, page number 56. See the first question. There were 48,213 bags of rice in a godown. If 19,425 bags are taken out, how many bags remain there in the godown? So first write the given things for that. How to solve it, pay attention. First problem, answer. Given things you have to write. Total bags in godown is equal to 48,230. Out of that, number of bags taken out. Is equal to 19,425. So this number you have to subtract from the total number of bags. 48,213 minus 19,425. 3 minus 5 cannot do. Borrow number from 1, 0. 13 minus 5 is 8. Here also borrow. 10 minus 2 is 8, 7, 11, 11 minus 4 is 7, again borrow number, that is 17, 17 minus 9, 8, 3 minus 1, 2. So write the statement, how many bags remain there in the godown? So there are 28,788 bags remain in the godown. Okay, now we will see the next question. See the fourth question. In the year 2015, a company produced 1,03,410 scooties. Next year, the production was decreased by 19,726. How many scooties were produced in the year 2016? So first write the given things. Here I have written, see, year 2015, number of scooties given 1,03,410. Production decreased by 19,726. So this is bigger number, this is smaller number. Do the subtraction. By doing subtraction with borrowing, you will get the answer 83,684. So you have to write the statement, in the year 2016, 83,684 scooties were produced. Okay. 10th question, see now, a man had rupees 7,05,000 with him. He gave rupees 3,27,500 to his son, rupees 1,24,625 to his wife, and rest to his daughter. How much money was received by the daughter? You have to find out. So see how to find out this. Pay attention. 10th question. Rupees with man. How much rupees man is having? Rupees 7,05,000 rupees given to son, that is rupees 3,27,500. Rupees given to wife, rupees 1,24,625. So first you have to find out total rupees given to wife and son. So add these two numbers. Five, 2, 11, 8 plus 4, 12, 5, and here 4. So now you are finding money received by daughter. Is equal to. So this addition answer you have to subtract from the money with the man. So rupees 7,05,000 minus rupees 4,52,125. Do the subtraction. I am considering here now 10 minus 5, 5, carrying I am giving, 10 minus 3, 7, 10 minus 2, 8, again here one more carrying, 5 minus 3, 2, 0 minus 5 means 10 minus 5 is 5, and 7 minus 5 is 2. So statement you have to write, money rupees 2,52,875 rupees received by daughter. Other question you try to solve yourself, all are like that only. So up till this is over. This chapter is finished here. Question bank 1 and question bank 2 you have to solve yourself. That is given on next page, that is page number 59, 60, 61 and 62. The questions which are having place here to write the answer, that question write in textbook only and other question write in notebook. Question bank full one you have to solve in textbook only.